Not every relationships are meant to last forever. And sometimes, holding on does more harm than letting go. Here are 3 clear signs it might be time to walk away. 1. You feel drained, not uplifted. A healthy relationship is supposed to give you peace, not constant stress. If every conversation turns into an argument, you feel emotionally exhausted, and you're always giving without receiving, that's a sign of imbalance. 2. You can't be your true self. When you have to shrink who you are, hide your feelings, or walk on eggshells just to keep the peace, it's a red flag. Real love allows you to be authentic without fear of judgment or rejection. 3. You are stuck, not growing. The right relationship pushes you to become better, not hold you back. If you feel stagnant, uninspired, and like your goals no longer matter, that's not love, it's a cage. Listen, letting go isn't easy, but staying in something that drains your energy and steals your growth will cost you more in the long run. Your peace, happiness, and future are worth protecting.